A gas which bleaches substances by reduction process is SO2. SO2 is a mild bleaching agent. Its bleaching action is due to a reduction of the vegetable coloring matter by nascent hydrogen liberated in presence of moisture. Its bleaching action is due to a reduction of the vegetable coloring matter by nascent hydrogen liberated in presence of moisture. In presence of moisture, SO2 liberates the nascent hydrogens and SO2 will get converted to H2SO4. These nascent hydrogens will convert the vegetable coloring matter to colorless vegetable matter. And one more important point here, bleaching by SO2 is however temporary. When the bleached article is exposed to air, it regains its color due to oxidation. Remember that point, bleaching by SO2 is however temporary. When the bleached article is exposed to air, it regains its color due to oxidation.